Hi, welcome to my channel. Thanks for stopping by. Today I'm going to be participating in the Lavishly Yellow Tablescape, hosted by Fabulous Designs on a Budget and co-hosted by Diva Designing on a Dime. And I'm going to leave both of these lovely ladies' channels down below in the description box. So once you're done with this video, go and check them out and check out the playlists that I have listed down there as well, because there are going to be some fabulous yellow tablescapes on the playlist. So no matter what shade of yellow that is your favorite, you are sure to find the perfect tablescape for you. Now let's get going and I'll show you what I did. I decided to go with yellow and black as my main colors for my tablescape. Kind of do an evening tablescape. So I'm actually shooting this in the evening time, and I've done blacks and yellows. Like right here with my place setting, you can see that my napkin that I'm using here is really what inspired me to do this tablescape. I absolutely love the yellow and the black together, and I thought it was a fun play off from my name, Miscellaneous Bee, when you get the vibe of a bee with the black and yellow. Now, right here in the center, you see this centerpiece that I actually had made yesterday, and the only thing different that I did on this tablescape today from yesterday is I did add one sunflower right in the top that picks up the yellow as well as the black. Now, looking at what we have here, I have my normal silverware that I use. I use this on a lot of my tablescapes. I am using my clear large plates along with my clear salad plate. And then I have a little dessert cup. Over here on the left, you can see I have my soup bowl. Here's a little closer look at my centerpiece. Now, I did change out my candle to a flameless candle from when I made the centerpiece yesterday. And I also added a couple of these flameless candles on each side of my centerpiece, and I just set them inside these plastic wine glasses that I picked up at Dollar Tree. And I think they make perfect candle holders. Now on the table around my centerpiece here, you'll see some florals that I have laying down there that have the yellow and the black to them, along with these smaller little tea light candles, and I picked those up at the Dollar Tree as well. My black plate here that my centerpiece is sitting on is also from the Dollar Tree, along with the black bowls that you'll see that I used. My cake stand that I have my centerpiece sitting on, that is something that was actually given to us for our wedding several years ago. My centerpiece, which I'll go ahead and link up above, so if you want to watch that, you can, and how to make that is mainly made using dollar store items, or the flowers in the centerpiece are from Walmart, all except for that sunflower right in the center. And you can see when I zoom in here, I kept my little birds hidden in the florals, and I have one of those on each side of the centerpiece just to add that little extra touch of whimsy. Now I've kind of set my tablescape up to kind of look like a romantic dinner at night in the springtime or in the summertime. It's not extremely formal, and yet it's not just all occasion either. It kind of hits that perfect mix. Here's a little closer up. You can see the sunflower that I added to my centerpiece, and that's the only thing that's different about my centerpiece other than exchanging the candle that's inside of it. Here's a little bit wider view of the whole tablescape. And I think it's looking absolutely beautiful with the black and the yellows. Here you can see I used the clear dinner plate, And on top of that, I added this towel that I decided to use as a napkin. I was thinking outside the box on using that. Here I have a little clear salad plate, which is also from Dollar Tree. And you can get these dinner plates, these clear dinner plates at Dollar Tree as well. Here is a little fruit cup that is also purchased from Dollar Tree. And now I'm just going to go ahead and add a little floral right to our fruit cup. And that just kind of adds that crowning touch. You can see with the lemons and the florals, it gives it very much that summery feeling or that spring feeling. And yet the black just gives it that evening feeling. So it's a perfect mix of like a spring evening or a summer evening. And this is a perfect romantic summery type of tablescape or spring type of tablescape for evening time. Again, I'll zoom in here a little bit closer on our centerpiece. And with my yellows that I decided to use all over the tablescape, I decided to go with a little bit more of the mustardy yellow colors because that was what was on the towels that I'm using as our napkins. And that is why I added in the sunflower in our tablescape, the sunflower in our centerpiece here, and it also picks up that color of the plastic wine glasses that I'm using as candle holders. Here's kind of an overview over all of it. I think it just looks so pretty. If you like this video, I'd really appreciate it if you give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell so you'll be notified the next time I upload a video. Thanks so much for watching.